southwestern Delaware County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Anderson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Muncie and Yorktown around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 232 and 237.
Like EAS 28
Take cover
today.
now. Move to a basement
Enhanced
or an
risk.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Delaware, Indiana.
I'm gonna check that. A minute. Yep,